Welcome to Linuxel. Today we are going to see about the introduction to Microsoft Azure, which is a cloud computing service. What is Azure? Azure is Microsoft's public cloud computing platform with solutions including infrastructure as a service IaaS, platform as a service PaaS, and software as a service SaaS that can be used for services like analytics, virtual computing, storage, networking, and much more. What is the Azure portal? The Azure portal is a web-based unified console that provides an alternative to command line tools. With the Azure portal, you can manage your Azure subscription by using a graphical user interface. You can build, manage, and monitor everything from simple web apps to complex cloud deployments. Create custom dashboard for an organized view of resources. Configure accessibility option for an optimal experience. Next, we are going to see how Azure can help in business. The first one is easy to implement. It is very easy to implement your business model in Azure. With a couple of on-click activities, you are good to go. Even there are several tutorials to make you learn and deploy faster. The second one is better security. Azure provides more security than local servers. Be carefree about your critical data and business applications. The third one is cost effective. If we set up a server on our own, we need to hire a tech support team to monitor them and make sure things are working fine. Also, there might be a situation where the tech support team is taking too much time to solve the issue incurred in the server, as there is no need to monitor and no need to hire a tech support team. So, in this regard, Azure is a way too pocket friendly. The next one is increased collaboration. With Azure, teams can access, edit, and share documents anytime from anywhere. They can work and achieve future goals hand in hand. Another advantage of Azure is that it preserves records of activity and data. The final one is capitalless. You simply pay as you go and enjoy a subscription based model that's kind to your cash flow. Next, we are going to see Microsoft Azure services. As you see in the picture, these are all the Azure services. The services like a compute service where Azure VM is used, storage services or RDS Azure SQL. For networking, Azure VNet is used. For security and identity, Azure AD and RBAC are used. Next, we are going to see Azure availability zones. Microsoft Azure has a presence in 60 plus regions worldwide and is available in 140 countries. Next, we are going to see about the pros and cons for Azure. Flexibility is important as it will enable you to scale up your project as your business continues to grow. Azure proves to be an easily scalable platform. The next one is security. One of the most appealing features that Azure has to offer its client is a state-of-the-art security system following a ADADSC approach: detect, assess, diagnose, stabilize, and close. Their security features are both reliable and user-friendly with protections like multi-factor authentication and password requirements. The next one is high availability and uptime. Azure will only store your data in regions where you permit it to be stored. Azure also promises a 99.995% uptime rate, which is an impressive accomplishment in the cloud industry. Next, we are going to see about the cons. Complexity. As a software as a service platform, Azure can easily become an extremely complicated environment for a larger companies. The next one is data transfer. Azure services are all subject to data transfer fees that are often the cause of stacked hidden fees. Next, we are going to see the clients of Azure. The first one is Travelocity. Next one is BMW. The next one is eBay, Boeing, Samsung, and GE Healthcare. With this, the introduction to Microsoft Azure has come to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.